Hello friends, I'm Alethea, grade 5B of Pinataland Grammar School. Today I am going to present you about habit number 7. So what is habit number 7? Habit number 7 is sharpen the saw. For example is I take care of my body by eating right, exercising and getting enough sleep. The second, I balance my time between school, extracurricular activities, family and friends. The third, I am always learning how to become a better person. So, when you do habit 7, you will have a healthy body, mind, heart and soul. This is the examples when I do habit 7. The first one is I usually do some exercise during my free time at home. The second one is I sometimes also exercise by playing too, which is more fun. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening. See you!